Good morning, children. Today in computer, we will move on with lesson 2, application software, children. Okay, application software helps us perform our task in various fields. Means this is a kind of software which helps us to do different types of work in different various fields. Okay, this is a wide variety of areas and fields where application software are used. This is a wide variety. ये एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया है. एरिया में इससे काम किया जाता है. ओके, वेयर एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर आर यूज, जहां हम एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज करते हैं. ओके, टू डू आर डिफरेंट वर्क and which also saves our time. These are of two types. Okay, first is general purpose application software and other is specific purpose application software. Now let's see with the first one, general purpose application software. General purpose application software contain all the features that are required in a particular area or field. Okay, children, so general purpose applications, these are those application software which is used in general field or areas. Now some common areas and software used in them are listed here. Number one is office tools, children. In office tools, which all applications are used, which all software? MS Office application, OpenOffice.org we use. For what it is used, children? It is used for preparing reports, managing our data, doing calculations and making presentations, etc. Okay, now next is word processing, children. In which application it is used? It is used in MS Word, OpenOffice, Writer. Okay, and where it is, how it is used? It used to create various documents. Now number third, it is presentation software. In which application do we use it? MS PowerPoint, OpenOffice, Presenter. Okay, and how do we use? It is used for designing the presentations. We prepare different kinds of slides in this. Okay, with the help of PowerPoint. Next comes number 4, spreadsheets. It is used in which application? MS Excel and OO Calc. Okay, how to create a spreadsheet, calculations and different charts can be prepared with the help of Excel. Okay, next comes multimedia software. Which software? Media player, VLC player, these all are the application software where multimedia software can be used. For doing what? Playing audios and videos. Next is designing. Corel Draw, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, these all are the application software, children. Okay, now how it is used? It is used for designing and managing images, logos, fonts, etc. Next comes desktop publishing. Adobe InDesign, MS Publisher, Scribus, Page Plus. Okay, these are the softwares used for desktop publishing. Now for what do? We use it for designing books, posters, newsletters and etc. Okay, next comes database software. Which softwares do we use for this? MS Access, OBase, MySQL. Okay, children, now why do we use such applications? We use it for managing our data and generating reports. Next comes animation and drawing, children. The thing which you all love the most is the software applications for which we use animation and drawings are Adobe Animate, Autodesk Maya, Autodesk 3D Studio Max. Okay, children, now for what do we use? For creating animations and drawing. Okay, children, I hope it is clear. These all were the general purpose application software. Okay, which you can say help us in doing or solving our many datas. Okay, next comes the next topic is specific purpose application software, children. What is this? Specific purpose application software are also called customized software. Okay, so specific purpose एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को हम लोग कस्टमाइज सॉफ्टवेयर भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके, These are designed according to the requirements of a customer. ये डिज़ाइन किया जाता है कस्टमर के रिक्वायरमेंट के accordingly. A customized software contains exactly those features which are required by the customers. Means customized software जो है वो useful one person या one company के लिए किया जाता है. For what? To fulfill its own particular demands. Okay children, now for example, if someone needs a software to maintain stock at his or her shop, then a stock management software can be developed for that shop. Means अगर कोई मैनेजमेंट है या शॉप है, उसे अपने स्टॉक्स को मेंटेन करने के लिए किसी सॉफ्टवेयर की ज़रूरत है, then this particular specific purpose application software, or you can say as customized software, is used. I hope when you all go for shopping in the markets, you might have seen over there in each shop, you might have seen they do the billing with the help of computer. And how do they do? With the help of customized software. Okay children, now various examples of customized software are patient management system, which is used in hospitals, billing system, students attendance system, students performance system, that is your report card, budget planning software, etc. So these are the fields or the purposes where customized software is used. Okay children, I hope you people have understood this chapter. With this we have ended with lesson 2. Thank you.